everybody, Chris Magnotta coming to you with another edition of Wealth Wednesday. And today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite Warren Buffett quotes, and that is, invest in what you know. So I'm going to start with a very short story about a friend of mine who's duck hunting with his grandfather. So he's out there, it's the early morning light, you can't see much of anything. He has great eyes. His grandfather, not so much. So a duck comes in and he's ready to shoot this duck, and his grandfather says, no, that's not the right one. And he looks at his grandfather like, how would you know? You can't see. His grandfather says, well, you can tell by how fast the duck's wings are moving. That's not the duck that we're looking for. And then another duck comes by. And again, he wants to shoot the duck. And his grandfather says, no, that's not the duck we're looking for. Its flying pattern is too erratic. Our ducks fly more in a straight line. So eventually, of course, they find the duck that they're looking for and they shoot it. But the point of the story is this: if you know what you're looking for, everything becomes much more clear. So when Warren Buffett says invest in what you know, well, that's what he's talking about, right? And so for a lot of people, this can be super overwhelming because there's all kinds of flashy new investments. Invest in this, invest in that. Oh, now I invest in this. Oh, now this is a good investment. Now that's a bad investment. Like, the noise can be very overwhelming. So stick with what you know. And if you don't know, well, couple great places to start. One is the S&P 500. Again, this is a Warren Buffett tried and true. Now, if you don't know the S&P 500, take a little bit of time and get to know the S&P 500 because it outperforms 97% of stock funds portfolios over time. So it's pretty hard to beat. And the second kind of sure bet is real estate. So if you're not sure about real estate, get to know real estate. Maybe you want to be a real estate investor. Get to know real estate. Know what you're looking for. Know what kind of return on investment you want. Know what kind of clientele you want. What kind of property you want. Know what kind of cash flow needs you require. What the financing options look like. Get to know the investment that you're going to be investing in. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about financing a home or investing, of course, always reach out to me. I'd be glad to help. If you liked the video, click like. Have a great Wednesday.